In class 11th, when I was having a videos, last videos, if you will see that there this important formula we need to prove by using the Venn diagram. That is very important. So for this, if I will say here, there is the one universal set as a rectangle we know, and suppose there is the two sets A and B. A and B. Okay. So here, suppose the right hand side, I would like to see what will be happen over here. Left hand side, there is number of elements in A union B. As you know that A union B means all A like this way and all B. है ना? So I have taken number of elements in A union B is equal to all A. So I have taken all A plus number of elements in B means all B. But the problem is here that you have taken A. Okay. So see this part, this part. This is the common part. This common part is in A also and B also. So in A I have taken. So this part is already I have taken. Okay. Now B I am taking. So for B I am taking this part again, and in the diagram it should be taken one time only, and I have taken two times. See, this part is in A also and this part is in B also. So this part two times I have taken, one time it should be subtracted. So that's why minus of, and this part is what called A intersection B. So number of elements in A intersection B, and this is the simple formula. You need to learn it. By using the Venn diagram, it will be very clear to you. Okay. So this is a very important property of Venn diagram in a sets, that number of elements in A union B union C is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus number of elements in A intersection B minus number of elements in A intersection C minus number of elements in B intersection C and plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. Very important formula, and definitely it will come in your exam. So look at this in the form of Venn diagram. Suppose I have taken one universal set over here like this way, and the three sets I am taking now like this way. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Correct? Now I want A union B union C, and as you know that A union B union C means all A along with all B along with all C. So when you are taking suppose all A, so all A is like this way, all A, right? All A I have taken, so I have taken all A, no problem. Then I am adding all B, so all B I have taken, all B. Then I am taking all C, so all C I can take like this way, this way. Okay, all C, all C, all C I have taken. But the problem is when you have taken A, when you have taken B, when you have taken C, so this part, take care of this part. This much. This part is in A also and B also. So this part you have taken two times because this part is in A, this part is in B. Two times I have taken. So one time I will subtract. So that is what I am subtracting A intersection B. Similarly, when you are talking about this one, see, this one, are you getting this one? This is what? This part is in B also and this part is in C also. This part I am talking. Right? So this part is in B. I have taken B already, this part, and already this part in taken C. So two times I have taken. So one time I will subtract. Right? Then the same way, look at this one. This part. This part. This part is in A, this part is in C. A and C already I have taken. So 2 times I have taken. So 1 time I will subtract. So minus of, already I have subtracted this one. Here I have to go for A intersection B. I have taken, and B intersection C will be this one. Sorry. And this one I will subtract one more time. A intersection C. Now look at it. जब आपने A लिया, B लिया, C लिया, तो उसमें 2 बार A इंटरसेक्शन B था तो एक बार हमने माइनस कर लिया. इसमें 2 बार B इंटरसेक्शन C था तो मैंने एक बार माइनस कर लिया. इसमें 2 बार A इंटरसेक्शन C था तो मैंने एक बार माइनस कर लिया. यहाँ तक तो ठीक है. अब आप ये देखो जरा, ये पार्ट जो था, ये एम्प्टी वाला पार्ट, ये पार्ट देखो आपने क्या किया, एक बार इसको माइनस किया. देखिए ये वाला पार्ट क्या था, इसमें था. ये वाला पार्ट क्या था, इसमें था. ये वाला पार्ट क्या था, इसमें था. तो ये 3 बार लिया गया इन तीनों में. और जब आपने इसको माइनस किया, A इंटरसेक्शन B, ये वाला माइनस किया, तो ये पार्ट माइनस हो गया एक बार, क्योंकि 3 बार आपने इसमें ऐड किया, तो एक बार आपने माइनस कर लिया. B इंटरसेक्शन C आप देखो ये है, तो उसमें एक बार और माइनस हो गया. A इंटरसेक्शन C वो यहाँ है, ये वाला, तो उसमें फिर एक बार माइनस हो गया. यानी ये जो एम्प्टी वाला पार्ट है वो इसमें 3 बार था और 3 बार आपने माइनस भी कर दिया. यानी ये पार्ट तो आपने लिया ही नहीं, तो इस पार्ट को भी तो लेना है ना, तो हमने इसको लेना पड़ा. क्या लेना पड़ा, इसका नाम क्या है, ये तीनों में A में भी है, B में भी है और C में भी है, तो हम इसको ऐड करेंगे. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A इंटरसेक्शन B इंटरसेक्शन C. इज इट क्लियर? तो इस तरीके से इस फॉर्मूले को हम लर्न कर सकते हैं. और मैक्सिमम जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स के क्वेश्चंस होंगे हम लोग इसी पे करेंगे, डायरेक्ट वेन डायग्राम पे. ओके.